Yo, I may cuss, but I don't curse. Let's get that situated first. And Pisces, we are here for another reading for the Pisces people, the Pisces collective, cross watchers included. I know you're here, but you could be here. You should be here. Why not? And I'm glad that you're here, if you're here. And since you're here, let's get into this 3-card drawing. Gonna hold you long. That's crazy work, but hear me out. The cards are already out here. Don't feel swindled. I shuffled, I cut, and I did my mantras before I drew these cards. They belong out here the same way that you belong here. So let's get to it, all right? The first card is the Eight of Swords in reverse. First card that wants to be famous today. The only card that wants to be famous today. Followed by the Page of Pentacles, okay? Followed by the Ace of Swords in reverse. Now look, I want to start this by saying first, quick news flash. Anyone offering sudden celebrations, be leery of that. And don't necessarily be so leery of them, although they as a character may have strong significance of why you should be leery of it. Sudden celebrations, what I'm hearing, it's too early to be celebrating. Reason being, it's more about what are we celebrating. It's kind of like that person is intuitive and they picked up on you achieving some type of higher achievement or level of success. Therefore, let's go spend on that. You understand what I'm saying? Like, how you know type shit. That just came, I'm just saying. Quick message. If it don't apply, let it fly. Please don't force it. Hey, yo. But this Eight of Swords in reverse, this card was in one of the earlier readings. I forget which one, but it looks like it has the same interpretation based upon the cards that is following it. A veil has been lifted. Answers to all of your problems you have obtained. This is like a scepter. This is like holding a scepter if you're into like magic and stuff like that. This is equivalent to that. This is equivalent to, you know, the myths about finding those books of spells that actually work. And now you're this magician that's trusted. You're the only one trusted with the book. Like you're the only one that can open it. Or normally if someone opens it, the pages are blank. But when you open it, it has writings of all of these parables and wisdom and lessons and knowledge. Only you can access it. It's a huge responsibility that comes with this. Don't take it for granted. That's what I'm being showed here. But this has you more confident. This has you more stepping into yourself and embodying this energy to the point where you have how should I say this? You have a new job that really isn't a new job. It's just a new job because you overlooked that it's actually your niche. So you're about to get some good news. It's going to come in the form of a message. I feel like this message is going to be, I don't know how. It looks like it's going to be slow to be delivered. I tell you, this is what it's showing me. This message is going to be communicated to you, but it's going to be slow for you to gain 100% clarity of what it is that they're saying to you. It can be an earth sign, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. If not, then, and even if they are, expect the clarity of this message to come gradually. Bars, I'm nice. We know that already, right? Clarity gradually. Listen, when I put it together, album could drop whenever. But listen, hear me out. This person is going to want guidance on how, look, this person is not going to know exactly how to say all of these things. They're going to expect you to know. And part of it is kind of feeling like they're not really shy neither. But part of it is because they don't want to put themselves all the way out there just yet. They are the type of step-by-step, methodical type of person. At least now they want to be. You understand what I'm saying? And they seen you do your thing. They see your power more than you see your power. Is the strongest point that I'm making for you right here. And once they tug your coat on this, some of y'all have been tugged on your coat about this numerous amounts of times, but you just haven't taken it serious enough. This is your niche. I'm seeing to like look into other people and see how you can make them better. and present and design opportunities for them to increase income, which consequently results in you obtaining income should you make the deal go correctly. You know, I see Mercury out here to be able to do a contract that initiates trade in some type of way and be able to negotiate. I'm seeing books heavy for y'all this year. I want to say to y'all, check your annual perfections. You may have Mercury ruling over the chart this year. I'm just saying that might be a thing. This person is going to be like a student. They're younger than you. I don't know by how many years, but they are younger than you in age. So they're going to be like a protege. And they're going to confide in you to guide them to where they need to be, to where they're trying to get. They really do trust you, yo. So whatever it is that you're doing, keep doing it. Part of the beauty of it is that you've been innocent because you don't give yourself enough flowers for being a leader in this type of way. You don't frame this as being your niche. You say, yeah, I do this, that, and the third, and then I do this. When they're looking at it like, no, you do this. Like, this is what you're good at. I see it. Like, I see you are good for me in this area. But the thing here is, and maybe it's a little bit of embarrassment on their part, they lack the ideas of what they should do next. You understand what I'm saying? And that's what makes them confide in you even more. Some of y'all have higher education, or wherever you did obtain your trade from, or whatever books that you've obtained to lock into what it is you're doing right now. They really respect your craft, yo. And they say, that's the person that can do it. You know what I mean? And they don't want to fail, because they will be the types of individuals that will reflect and be like, man, I messed that up. And they don't want to be that person. They do not want to be that person. They can become hostile if their ambitions and dreams and goals and aspirations are put on the back burner for any amount of time longer. But like I said, don't expect them to say all of that in one shot and one email and one phone call, because they're not. They're going to go about this gradual. That's how much they trust you, yo. This is, like I said, this solution, this veil that's been lifted for you to find all of the solutions to your problems. Huge responsibility comes with it. Do not take it lightly, because there's so much opportunity for you and the other people involved. And remember, this one particular person that I'm talking about, they're not going to make it 100% clear on what they want to do, because they're looking up to you. So, with that being said, before I repeat myself, I'm going to leave that right here. Y'all enjoy yourselves this week. Until next time, I'm out.